Always at the forefront, GCash has advocated for digitalization, and we remain committed to providing support to our government's initiatives to push for the same. Layunin natin sa programang ito na mas magpalawig ang kaalaman patukoy sa digitalisasyon upang maging mas moderno at progresibo ang ating pamahala.
We prioritized safety, and what enabled us to ensure the consistency of the need for safety. It was convenience. Thus, the rise of digital solutions. Digitalization is a call for today and not of the future economy. And in GCash, we fully support the digitalization journey of the public sector. Today's session with the theme, Breaking Barriers and Building Capabilities Towards a Digital Ecosystem, focuses on government regulations, guidelines, and support that allow electronic payments and digital transactions.
So, bakit kailangan natin si GCash? Because we will attain efficiency, transparency, accountability, accessibility, integration, automation, paperless transactions, cloud-based solutions, security, and of course, convenience and integration. With that, I thank GCash for giving us this opportunity to be in partner with them.
Now, masasabi natin malayo na po ang narating. Marami na pong nagawa. And we have made financial services accessible to a lot of people. Pero, hindi pa po tapos. Marami pa po tayong dapat magawa.
We look to today as the starting line. The road ahead is difficult, but together as partners, we can make this transformative journey a reality. At sa inyo pong lahat, sa ating mga kawani ng gobyerno, we thank you for your commitment and unwavering support. Malayo pa, pero malayo na rin ang ating narating. Together, our efforts will continue to deliver a positive impact in the lives of our Filipinos.